Good afternoon to all of you. So today we will learn about linear equation in one or two variable. So before starting the linear equation, we'll just see what is meant by an expression. Okay, so expression is nothing but a mathematical or algebraic terms which is having a degree as a positive integer is known as an expression. Example of mathematical or simply expressions are, see here, 3x raised to 2. Here, what is 3? 3 is a coefficient. And what is x? X is a variable. And a degree which a 2 or x is having is positive 2. Therefore, it is known as a mathematical expression. So, expression is nothing but a mathematical terms without equal to sign is known as mathematical expression. So here equation, what is meant by equation? So mathematical expression with equal to sign is known as a mathematical equation. Or we can simply say that equation is nothing but, see here, equation is nothing but equation or equal to sign equal to plus expression is known as a mathematical expression. Mathematical equation. So see here, what is meant by equal to? A sign of equal to. And what is meant by expression? Expression means a mathematical or algebraic terms having sign as positive integer. So see here, if we write here 3x square is equal to anything. Anything means anything we can write here 4. Or simply we can write here 4, see here 3x square plus 2x plus 4. Means what? We have to write a mathematical expression with equal to sign is known as an equation. Okay, so now what is meant by equation? A mathematical expression with equal to sign is known as equation. So now we will see the what is meant by linear. So see here, we know that a polynomial or a degree. What is meant by degree? See here, we have simply a one polynomial or one expression 3x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 7 is equal to 4. So see here what it is. It is not but a mathematical equation. Okay, so it is mathematical equation, not an expression or not a polynomial. It is an equation. Why it is an equation? Because we can see here equal to sign. That's why it is an equation. So suppose if we remove this equal to sign or simply write like this 3x raised to 4 plus 2x plus 7 and nothing but, then it is known as a mathematical expression or simply a polynomial. So what is meant by degree of a polynomial? So see here, we see the degree of this polynomial. So see here, how many terms are there? How many terms? So number of terms equal to number of signs we can see in the expression plus 1. See here, we can see here 2 signs plus plus. Then we have to write it, add 1 in it. So we can get the 3. So that's why here 3 terms are there. See here, degree of this first term is 4. Why? Because here it is a variable x having degree as a 4. That's why this mathematical term having degree as a 4. What is the degree of this mathematical term? See here, x, here on x nothing is mentioned. So if nothing is mentioned, then it will be always 1. That's why degree of this mathematical term is 1. So see here, this is only a number, means variable is nothing mentioned there. That's why if a variable is nothing is mentioned there, then it will be a variable having power as 0. Therefore, degree of this mathematical term, which is 7, or non-zero constant polynomial having degree as a 0. So that's why, see here we have 3 mathematical terms. Degree is, first mathematical term is having degree as 0, second mathematical term having degree as 1, and the third mathematical term having degree as a 4. So degree of this whole polynomial is nothing but the highest degree of the, out of these 3 mathematical terms, highest degree is known as degree of this polynomial. So this polynomial is having degree as a 4. So see here, it is the same, nothing, it is an equation. So see, first term having degree as 4, second term having degree as 1, third term having degree as 0, and here again 4 it is, so 4 is having degree as 0. So therefore this mathematical equation is having degree as 4. So which equation are known as linear equation? So if a mathematical equation having degree as 1 only, means what? See here, we can write here 3y plus 4 equal to 10. So it is a linear equation. Oh sorry, we can see first. It is an equation. Why it is an equation? Because we can see a equal to sign here. That's why it is an equation. Now it is linear. Why linear? See the degree of this mathematical term as 1, degree of this mathematical term as 0, degree of this mathematical term as 0. That's why this equation is having greatest degree as 1. Therefore, equation of this, degree of this whole equation will be 1. That's why it is known as linear equation. Now you come to know that what is meant by linear equation. Now we can see what is meant by 1 or 2. 1 means 1 only, 2 means 2 only, and what is mean by variable. Okay, so what is mean by variable? See here, variable is a word which is made from various plus able. What it is mean? See here, various means various, meaning, and able means to become, like that. See here, if I write here a number 4 and if I ask you what is the value of this number, then what you will say? You will say that, sir, it is having a value of 4 only. Okay. Now if we see here, if I write here a number 100 and I will ask you what is mean by this number, then you will say that, sir, it is a number of 100 only, means its value will be 100. And again, if suppose I will write here an x and y or maybe a, and if I ask you what is the value of this digit or the alphabet I have written here, then you will get confused and someone will say that, sir, x will be equal to 1. And again, suppose someone will say that, sir, no, x will be equal to as 10. And suppose someone again will say that, sir, x is nothing but 4. Then who is right? Then all of these 3 answers will be right only. Because x is equal to 1 is nothing but 1 is equal to x. Means x is having value as a 1. So what is meant by variable? See there, x can be anything. Means if you write here x is equal to minus 2, then it will become minus 2. And suppose afterwards you write here x is equal to minus 50, then x will become minus 50. Means various values it can occupy, or it can be converted, or it will be in various values, or its value will be anything. That's why it is known as variable. So linear equation we have seen here, a mathematical expression or an equation having degree as a 1 is known as linear equation. So if 1 means 1, 2 means 2, variable means these alphabets x, y, a, b, c, d, whose value can be anything or whose values will be various, then it is known as linear equation in 1 or 2 variable. I will write here an example of both of these types. See here, linear equation